Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and today we've got the real-world highway fuel economy test of the 2020 Subaru Forester. This Forester is the limited model, rocking the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated motor and a CVT. So we're going to take this out, do 50 miles out, 50 miles back on the highway to get a realistic 70 mile per hour cruising fuel economy average. Before we get started, let's hop out, take a quick look at the vehicle. If you guys want to see more on the Forester, we've got a full review as well as a sound system demo on its Harman Kardon audio system. Spoiler alert, it's pretty good. Let's see, we got it a little dirty here filming our live drive a few days ago. So, we're going to hop in here, head on over to the gas station. I'm going to show the whole process. We're going to fill it up. We're going to head out, do our test, come back, fill up at the same pump using the same 3-click method. We're going to drive relatively economically, but also comfortably. We're going to pump 15. So we're going to fill up using the 3-click method. That means we're going to go high flow until the pump clicks. We're going to wait 10 seconds. There we are. And then we're going to low flow, wait till the pump clicks, wait another 10 seconds, then do one more low flow. That will be considered a full fill. Okay, that is full. That fill gave us 3.766 gallons. Should be a nice clean fill. Okay, so before we get started, we've got the climate control set to 73 auto. I'm going to reset our trip. And we're also going to reset GPS. And off we go. So when we get up on the highway, we're going to cruise at 73 miles per hour, GPS indicated. That should allow us to get about an average testing speed of 70 miles per hour. We're going to call this our 73-73 test. 73 miles per hour at 73 degrees. Get up to speed at a comfortable and safe acceleration. And we're off. We're going to try not to draft people too much. Well, we're just going to get up here, do our best. There's actually a surprising amount of traffic right now. We're going to get up to 73 miles per hour. It looks like the car's speedo is dead on accurate with the GPS. So we can set it to 73. And away we go. Okay, we are closing in on the end of our test here. Car is telling us that we are averaging 34.5 miles to the gallon with 450 miles of range remaining. Let's get an average speed from the car. Car's putting us at 69 miles per hour average. We'll see what the GPS gives us here at the end of the test. Pretty uneventful test. I'm comfortable. Do have two-way lumbar adjustment in and out the seat here, and very soft bolstering. It's a good feel overall. I was able to stay comfortable. Good seating position. Sound system sounds pretty good. Check out our full review for the details on that. No big surprises. EPA fuel economy for highway on this Forester is 33. So the fact that we're a few miles per gallon above that is nice to see. We're going to come on in here and use the same pump we used to fill up last time, 3-click method, and then compare what the car says to what we get, calculating it for fuel usage. Okay, put that all in there. .063 gallons.
Concerned about it being his.
Okay, so now this is kind of interesting. The GPS says we did 108.4, which is what we've done in every single test. But the car thinks we've only done 107.3. So we're going to use the GPS, 108.4 divided by 3.063 to give us 35.4 miles to the gallon. So according to our calculations, we're getting 35.4. You can round that to 35 miles to the gallon. And the car thinks we're getting 34.5. So there's your result, somewhere in between there, whatever you want to believe. But we're looking at a pretty solid 35 miles to the gallon for the 2020 Subaru Forester Limited with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. Quite good for all-wheel drive and all of this space. If you guys liked watching this video and getting this sort of content, definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a bunch. Check out our other videos on the Subaru Forester, as well as all of our other content. I also wanted to try to start working this in. So we're going to say the car gets 35 miles to the gallon at 70 miles per hour times 16.6, which is the fuel tank size, gives you an estimated range of 581 miles on a tank of fuel at 70 miles per hour. Pretty good, Subaru. Pretty good. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, all those good things. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.